Hello, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you the chords on the piano for I Don't Care by Justin Bieber and Ed Sheeran. So it is the same 4 chords all the way through, so this will be suitable for beginners, though it is more heavy on the black notes. So the key signature of this song is in the scale of F sharp major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale. So the melody line and the chords are formed using these notes. So in the preview you heard me play it in the rhythm that is the repeated rhythm throughout the song. I'll go through the right hand first. So here is middle C, and I'm forming the chord there. So the first chord is an F sharp major, and I've decided to play it in this inversion, which is first inversion. So we have A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. So kind of going like staccato, hold, short, hold. So that's for 8 beats. And then I'm going to change to a D sharp minor inversion. So all you're going to do is change the C sharp to the D sharp. So we have A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and play it in the same way for 8 beats. And then we have B major for 4 beats. So that's B, D sharp, and F sharp. And then you're going to come up to C sharp major, which is C sharp, E sharp, which is an F, and a G sharp. And then you're going to go back to the F sharp major again. So I'll just run through that again from the beginning. And then all of that repeats throughout the entire song, that chord progression. So in the left hand, I'm going to play F sharp and C sharp, and then move that shape down to D sharp and A sharp. And then we have B and F sharp, C sharp and G sharp, and then back to F sharp and C sharp. So I was playing it like this, so playing these notes separately, like that. So, like that. So you could incorporate in there, in the verse part, is like a little synthy sounds going. So you could play the G sharp into the A sharp. So I'll just play that slowly. In the chorus, you can incorporate the So a little bit there is C sharp, then A sharp, and then then G sharp, F sharp. So that concludes your tutorial on how to play the chords of this song in a slightly more interesting way. I hope that's been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give the video a big thumbs up if it has. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Go check out my channel for loads of tutorials. If you can't find what you're looking for there, go to the comment section of this video where I've posted a link, and that will take you through to my official request space, and there you can request a song you'd like to see from me, or requests are noted and considered, so yours could be coming soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!